Hello and welcome to signNow, the best e-signature solution out there. Watch this video to stay current with all the ways electronic signatures can benefit your business and streamline your day-to-day processes.
Are you managing your legal paperwork, or is your paperwork managing you? Scanning, printing, and mailing documents is time-consuming, especially if multiple parties are involved. Streamline your document processes with signNow. Send and sign documents electronically, anytime and anywhere. Easily prepare contracts and agreements, send them out for signature, and track the status of documents in real time. Here are a few tips on how you can delight your coworkers with a secure and consistent signing experience. If you'd like to save time collecting signatures on multiple document copies, use signNow to send your contracts, agreements, and forms to several recipients at once. Create a fillable template and send it to multiple people to sign. Go to your template folder and then click the More button next to the template you want to send and select Bulk Invite. In order to use Bulk Invite, your template must contain fillable fields and at least one unassigned user role. You can either upload a CSV file containing a column with signer email addresses or enter them in the empty box. Customize the template name if needed and select the destination folder for completed documents and then click Send Invites. Let's see what else you can do with signNow. There are two types of fields in creating a document in signNow: editable for document senders and fillable for document signers. Each field is assigned to a specific role. You can set each field as required or optional and specify which data types are valid for that field. If you need to sign a document before sending it, add your signature any way you like. Type your full name, draw your signature using a mouse, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. Choose whether you'd like recipients to receive your invite in the order they're signing a document or at the same time. Customize invite emails, protect your document by adding additional authentication methods, set up document expiration dates with automated reminders, or allow your recipients to forward or even decline the invite. Select what you want to do with a signed document, including deciding who needs copies. Use document groups if you need to bundle documents together, send a group of documents to a single signer, or create signing steps for multiple signers across multiple documents. To start collaborating, create a team and invite your colleagues. As the team admin, you can add or delete users, view shared documents and templates, and so much more. Visit our Help Center if you need more help with signNow. You can start a live chat or submit a new support request, and our support team will contact you as soon as possible. Want to become a certified e-signature expert? Click on the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses.
Ready to save time and money? Then click the link in the description and start your free 7-day trial of signNow.